Thursday. Great morning, y'all. It is July 1st. We are in a brand new month, y'all. Sending y'all happy 1st July cheers. Happy July, y'all. We are in the 7th month of this year, y'all. This year is running through quickly, y'all. Y'all, and I'm excited. I'm excited about, what this month is going to offer and the rest of this year is going to offer. You know what I'm saying? We all should feel like that on an everyday basis. We all should be excited, just to what our life is going to bring. You know what I'm saying? That's only if you put yourself in alignment with God and the right things in your life. You know what I'm saying? You can be excited about your life. You know what I'm saying? That's what it's all about. You know what I'm saying? Have meaning in life and enjoying life to the fullest. That's what it's about at the end of the day, y'all. Life is too short for, to be upset, tight, pressed, angry. You know what I'm saying? This is a new month. Let us rejoice in this new month, y'all. Let us, set goals like we never set goals before. Let us live intentionally. You know what I'm saying? Like, my theme for July is to live intentionally. Living intentionally means, that you putting your best foot forward and you knocking down whatever obstacles that come in your way, because you have the power to win. You know what I'm saying? Because if losing is not an option, you already won. And if you have that mentality and mindset that losing is not an option, you will do what it takes and by any means necessary to get to that goal and to win. You know what I'm saying? Life it's a mindset thing. You know what I'm saying? It's a mindset thing. And as adults, if we're going to accomplish and conquer anything that we're supposed to accomplish, we got to get in a happy place, and we got to get our mindset right. We got to be able to look at things differently, because when we begin to look at things differently, that's when we can begin to make necessary changes. We can be able to accept the things that accept the things that that we can't change, but we can change the things that we need to change. We can change the things that we don't want, you know what I'm saying? But things that we don't have any control over, we can accept that and we can tweak it to make it work for us. You know what I'm saying? Like, you can find different things in life that's going to help benefit you, that's going to be conducive to your growth. You know what I'm saying? And that's what life about. You know what I'm saying? It's about looking at things on a different level, changing different things that you can change. If you have to change your background, your scenery, your environment, you know what I'm saying? Be able to do so. But first, like I said, you got to get that mind right. You got to get that, you got to look at things differently. That's what it all boils down to. You know what I'm saying? If, and before I go any further, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, I don't want to write some music in the background. You know what I'm saying? Vibing on my way to work, on this lovely day. It's how, it's our approach. Basically, it's our approach to how we deal with everyday life situations, because everybody have issues and problems. I think we all can agree with that. We all have, everybody in life, if you're living, we all have something, an issue, a problem that's not, in our control, and things that we want to get better and to do better. We all do. Nobody in this world is perfect. Nobody. You know what I'm saying? A lot of us have overcome some things. A lot of us have victories, success stories that we want to share, and and to help other people to overcome this and to encourage. You know what I'm saying? Like, your story encourages other people. That's why it's good to be a winner. It's good to overcome things so you can help somebody else, because somebody had to been a hope for me, and the same way you can be a hope for somebody else. You know what I'm saying, y'all? This July, the top of the month, the first day in this month, y'all. And, it's getting hotter. It's summer. So, what are some things, question on this first day of July, what are some things you're doing to be intentional about living? What are some things that you're doing? What are some things you're doing to shape your mind, your attitude? Because attitude determines a whole lot of how we move. You know what I'm saying? The things we do, how we interact, how we react. You know what I'm saying? It's a mindset thing. If you see yourself in a certain light, you will begin to behave that way. It's what you think and see of yourself is the way you're going to behave. You know what I'm saying? Don't let anybody fool you. A lot of times it's not what others saying about you, it's what you're saying and believing about yourself. So, you know what I'm saying? So It's always good to just do free writing. Just get up, write. Just write how you feel. Express any type feeling. Just write. And that'll let you know, what I'm saying, some things that you have to work on, some things you're going to have to, tighten up on, and some things you're going to have to let go and release. You know what I'm saying? Once you do that free writing, that's going to give you an inkling on, okay, what are some things I need to be working on? What are some things I'm holding on to that I need to let go? Because some things should have been let go in your life that you're still holding on to. And that could be the thing that's holding you back. That could be the thing that's making you unhappy. You know what I'm saying? So it just, just take the time out on the day to do some free writing. You know what I'm saying? Take some time out to do some self-analyzation just to see where you are on this day, where you are. Because you're not going to know where you're going if you don't know where you are. Where are you? You know what I'm saying? Can you locate yourself? So take time out to do that. And y'all, I want to talk a little bit about my new product. Our company dropped this new product on last week. It's the fruit punch flavor tea, y'all. Detox tea. I tried it for the first time on yesterday. This is the fruit punch flavor. This is similar to our original. The only difference is with our original, it doesn't have any flavor to it, but this will get you a great flush. I love it. You know what I'm saying? The detox tea that we have, these are the regular. This does not have any CBD or any broad hemp in it. So this is safe to take if you are, if you get regularly drug tested on your job. It's safe to take every day. This is safe for, I would say teens, probably 14 and up. They can detox their system. You know what I'm saying? 'Cause a lot of times they don't eat the best. So your teens can detox. And your teens, they will love this new flavor, y'all. This flavor, y'all, when I open up the bag, it smells like straight Kool-Aid. It's you know what I'm saying? It's a great taste as well. And you will put this in 8 ounces of water. This is how you would detox. You would put this in 8 ounces of water, and you would drink a couple of bottles of water after you get that, after you drink the tea. After you mix up the tea, it comes in a sachet form, y'all. It's on the go. You know what I'm saying? It's on the go. You can take it wherever. It's simple. You just put it in some water. You put in 8 ounces of water. Shake it up well and drink it. That's it. Shake and drink. That's all you got to do. It's already packaged nicely, y'all. And this has, like I said, this has great benefits. This is going to help you remove, old bowels. The bowels are stuck to your walls. This is going to help, clean you out, gut you out, get your skin clear. Take away any mucus that's in your body. You know what I'm saying? Because mucus is the thing that causes you to get sick and it causes diseases. So this is going to clean out, all the mucus out your system. It attack any old food parasites that's still in your intestines that's not supposed to be there, because if you never detox, that stuff is still in your system. And it doesn't matter if you're skinny, you're overweight or whatever have, everybody needs to detox. And these are all natural ingredients in our products. This is all natural. It got the fibers that's going to attack like the old stuff that's stuck into your intestines and in your colon. That's what the detox tea does, y'all. This tea has really helped me out, because I wasn't always as regular like I should prior to me taking the tea. And I always used to, had lack of energy because I had a lot of old, stuff, food that was stuck into my system for years of me never detoxing, still in my body. And that turns into other stuff. That turns into toxins. That caused me to break out. That caused me to have lack of energy. That caused me to have a lot of, my food couldn't digest properly. Like all this stuff that this helps with your getting a good digestion. You know what I'm saying? You don't need to feel and you having chest pains and and about to have a heart attack after you eat, because you still have your system all clogged up with a bunch of grease and stuff that our body cannot take. Our body's not designed for that. You know what I'm saying? Our body's designed for our blood and stuff to flow freely. It's not designed for that. So the detox tea is going to help you unclog all of that. You know what I'm saying? It's very beneficial for your health that you detox. You know, it's very beneficial to your health. You know what I'm saying? This is going to, you know, help change your diet. And this tea, this helps control a lot of cravings. You know what I'm saying? If you're a person that snack all the time, you know, this is going to help control that. And what y'all call emotional eat. You just eating just because. You know what I'm saying? You're not even hungry half the time. You just eating because your body's craving that junk and different stuff. This is going to control that. This is going to control a lot of that craving and snacking when you detox. Once your body get used to getting that the fibers and that flush, you know what I'm saying, it's going to perform for you. You're not gonna want all kind of stuff. You're not gonna, you know, eat a lot of times you get stuff and you don't really need that food. That food steady sitting and what that does, that food is sitting in your lower and upper intestines. You're not getting the release. You're not going to the bathroom like you should. So that food is still stuck in your system, which causes you to have headaches. It causes you to feel bad, to have lack of energy. You're not going to be in as enthused as you should. You know what I'm saying? And then it's going to eventually affect your mood. So, y'all, these are life-winning products. You know what I'm saying? These are life-winning products, y'all. And I'm glad that I decided to invest in my health because my health is important. The same way I want to look good on the outside, you know what I'm saying? I want to feel good as well. I want to feel good, and we got to, you know, be careful what we're placing into our systems in our temple. You know what I'm saying? We only got one body, so we need to take care of it. Y'all, these teas work wonders, y'all. And also it helps with weight loss. Like my wristband say 5 pounds in 5 days, and that is possible. You could use, it's true, because when I started taking that's when they had like the original tea. When I took the original tea, when I first started drinking the tea, y'all, I was dropping some pounds, and that wasn't even my goal to try to lose weight. So I had to like take other products to help maintain my weight. Like I started drinking the Matrix. That's on my website, y'all. And the Matrix, that's a plant-based meal replacement. It helps build muscle mass. It's like a meal replacement on the go. If you don't have time to make you a meal, or you trying to, you know, maintain in a certain diet, people drink the Matrix. It's good. You can add your own fruits and different things too with the vanilla Matrix. You can add, like you see, I added like almond milk, 2% milk. I switches mine up. I add like a protein blend with the different fruits and stuff in it. You can cut up your own fruits. If you want to cut up your own bananas, and you want to add peanut butter, you want to add, you know, some yogurt, cut up some apples, peaches, or whatever you want to do to for the taste that you desire, you can do that and still be healthy. That's why, you know, I love it. And that also helped train my taste buds and help me with my appetite. You know, if you're a person that you don't eat as much, and you know you need to eat, because we need to eat for energy. You know what I'm saying? We need nutrients in our body. And I mean, the Matrix is gonna help build up your appetite. You know what I'm saying? It does help, you know, with weight gain. So the Matrix is good for that, and it's plant-based. If that's great for vegetarians, anybody who trying to get the, you know what I'm saying, the nutrients into their system, and they just need something quick and on the go, we have the Matrix. And we have the brownie chocolate Matrix, which I'm going to be purchasing soon. I'm gonna try that. Like a lot of my business partners, they've been using they'll use strawberries, different stuff like that into their brownie Matrix. It has a great taste from what I heard, but I'll be trying that very soon, y'all. That's a meal replacement. So we have the vanilla flavor, we have the chocolate Matrix, y'all. You know what I'm saying? So all of these are great products that's going to help you feel better. You're gonna look better. You know what I'm saying? You're gonna feel better and look better. Once you be consistent, you know, with the products, you're going to see a change in your looks. You're going to see a change. You're going to feel different once you take the products on a consistent basis. You know what I'm saying? I will say that, and I can stand behind that. You will look and feel better. I will say that, y'all, about these products. It's not, you're not going to be wasting your money, because it's going to actually do the work. And in addition to that, if you're exercising and you watching your food intake, like your calories, and watching the carbs and all that stuff like that, if you're trying to lose weight, the products will help you lose the weight as well. Because what the Detox Teas does is going to attack all that old stuff out of your walls that's hindering you from losing the fat. So that's good. You know, we have that. We got weight loss products. We got the lipo, and we call it lipo in a bottle. We got the resolution drops and life drops. And the resolution drops, it cuts cravings. It's a drop that you would just use, y'all. People, you can use it like up to I think two, 3 times a day. You know what I'm saying? I don't personally use the drops, but I know it works wonders. I have business partners that actually they trimming down. They trimming down off of using the drops and drinking the teas, eating right, exercising. So you know what I'm saying? That it does work, and that's one of the things that you can control if you want to control. You can control, you know, how you feel. You can control, you know what I'm saying, how you look. You know what I'm saying, if you want to be healthy, because your health is linked to your mental status. You can control that. You can. You know what I'm saying? So we have over 40 something products for everything. You know what I'm saying? So I'm thankful for that, y'all. So if you want to, if you're in my area, if you want to try a sample this fruit punch flavored tea, detox tea, it's gonna get you the same great benefits as our regular tea. Y'all hit me up. If you want to try, you want your month's supply, you get 2 of these bags. If you want to have that, it comes with 30 sachets in the bag that'll tie you over. You get that great flavor plus a great detox, y'all. Hit me up. I can get that ordered for you. Or if you just want to try this one bag at a time, it has 30 sachets in this for it'll if you're drinking it twice a day, it might last you a little less than a month. That's why it's recommended you get the 2 bags. But however you want to try it, y'all, that's on my link as well. You can do that as well. You know what I'm saying? Because you could to use these teas. These teas are not as aggressive. You know, it'll attack your body, but it's not going to hurt you. It's a gentle detox. So you can detox 2-3 times a day. Some people do double detox. They'll add 2 sachets in their water. You know what I'm saying? You can do that and get that great flush. You know what I'm saying? So y'all hit me up if you want to try any of these, y'all. It's recommended that we do detox our body. We do get the 30 minutes physical fitness in. And like I said, you know, we got to start doing better with having self-care practices, being in touch with yourself, being in tune with your body, knowing when you have to do something different. You know what I'm saying? When you feel different, you're not feeling your best, because you know what I'm saying, it's not okay to always be sad and to be unhealthy, to feel, you know what I'm saying, a certain type of way. That is not okay. You know what I'm saying? To even to feel that way. Y'all do something about it. Y'all, this is July. The year is moving. Y'all do something about it. Y'all, as we approach the months to come. You know what I'm saying? Leave out this year on a better than you came in. You know what I'm saying? That's my motto. Leave out better than you came in. You know what I'm saying? Don't let life defeat you. You stay on top of it. Y'all, that's my July words of wisdom. You know what I'm saying? Stay on top of your grind. Be intentional about everything you do. Be the best ever. You know what I'm saying? Be the best version of yourself. Do it. You know what I'm saying? Whatever you do, be good at it. Just be the best at whatever you're doing. You know what I'm saying? Get intentional about getting healthy. You know what I'm saying? Your life depends on it. You know what I'm saying? You will start to feel better. You will look better. You start to treat others better. You start to enjoy life more. It's a win-win. Y'all, so happy July 1st, y'all. Welcome July. You know what I'm saying? Y'all, let this be the month of greatness, y'all. Be safe out there. Hit me up for any products, anything you need to know about these products, any questions you have. Feel free to inbox me, y'all. Be blessed. Thanks for watching. I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.